We'll guide you through how to create a project folder, create a file, and open terminal in Visual Studio Code. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.
Now, we will start by creating a new project folder. Go to the top left corner and click on File. Just click on Open Folder. So I'll just click on the new folder and give it name like Project and hit Enter. Just double click on it to go inside the folder and click on Select Folder. Just click on Yes, I trust the authors. And from here, to create a new file, you will see this little icon in the folder. Just click on it to create a new file. Then type a file name. For example, if you are using a Python, you can name it like main.py and hit enter, and it will be saved as a Python file. Or if you are using a JavaScript, you can just click on this file icon again and name it as app.js and hit enter, and it will be saved as a JavaScript file. Now let's add a simple code to test everything. If you are using Python, I'll just go to my Python file and write a simple code, and after typing the code, make sure to save the file. You can just press Ctrl and S on a keyboard directly to save it. Just go to the top menu and click on Terminal. In the terminal, just click on New Terminal and your terminal will open at the bottom. To run your Python file, just type Python space in your file name, which was main.py, and hit enter.